The Drift by Stanford Lab, where our researchers answer your giant science questions in bite-sized videos. Submit your questions via direct message on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Hello, I'm David Vardiman, Stanford Underground Research Facility Geotechnical Engineer for The Drift. Recently I was asked the question, how big can science be underground? Well, I assume this is referring to the cavern size. Are there engineering controls or limitations on how big a cavern can be built? The answer is yes. Well, what are those limitations? They are the size of the cavern. There are limitations depending on what rock formation you're building in as to the span and the vertical sidewall height. Here at the facility, we have found through geotechnical site investigation that the mailbox configuration, or shaped like the cross-section of a mailbox with vertical sidewalls and a domed roof, is the most compatible for our stress regime here at the facility. But those caverns in mailbox shape can be endlessly long, much like a tunnel. For an upright cylinder, there is also a limitation on the sidewall as well as the span or diameter of the upright cylinder. Another limitation is ventilation. The larger the cavern, the more air that it requires. Ultimately, it also depends on what depth you build your cavern. The deeper you go, the more costly it is because of the increased amount of hoisting of getting the rock to the surface, as well as ground support. But some science experiments like to be deeper to provide greater shielding for their experiment. The last consideration is, of course, cost. The deeper you go, the larger you go, more ground support, more elaborate ground support, more excavation, all of this yields more cost. And that may ultimately be your limiting factor. For The Drift, I'm David Vardiman.